Today let's have a look at this wall-mounted smart vending machine for waste. The machine goes with a 22-inch touch screen, nice card reader, and this is the age verification module. Now let me show you the inside. There are 4 floors. Each floor has 2 slots, totally 8 slots. Now let me show you how to buy from this machine. In my hand, I've got an ID card for age verification and bank card. Touch to buy. But before buying from this machine, you must verify the age. Now age verification success. Now I can buy. Select the products.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Authorizing. Thank you. Thank you.
Get the products. If you need to get more information, contact us. Thank you.